Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. When we see SMD ceramic capacitors, SMT ceramic capacitors, MLCC multi-layer laminated capacitors, we see these components without any marking, without any coding. But sometimes we see a coded number on these SMD capacitors. Normally, when there is no code, no marking, we take its length, width and height, thickness, and we decode that number to find its capacitance, voltage, and if there is marking, the same way, length, width, thickness, and we will also decode with this number. It is called 2-digit alphanumeric EIA marking system for ceramic capacitors. It is optional. Let's check this code. A5. The first letter, it is logo. If here is mentioned A, that means AVX, V, Vishay, K, Kemet, logo or manufacturer. Coded capacitance. Then this number multiplier. Let's decode it. SMD MLCC ceramic capacitor 2-digit marking option. Open it. Open it. Marking options Vishay. Surface mount multi-layer ceramic chip capacitor. MLCC capacitor marking option. Let's download these documents. Surface mount multi-layer ceramic capacitors are normally supplied unmarked. If required, they can be marked as an extra cost option. That means by paying extra cost, this number can be marked. Laser marking option is not available for C0G on these dielectrics, maybe for safety reasons or something else. K, Kemet ID. First V, Vishay, A, AVX, then A8, 2-digit capacitance code. Let's go to this chart. Capacitor marking option. The first alphabet, A, in the first row. Move to right side and locate the second column, that is 5. Drop down to this number, A5, 100,000 picofarad. That means 100 nanofarad. 100,000 picofarad or 100 nanofarad. If it is G2, 180 picofarad. If it is K8, 240 microfarad. If it is T4, 51 nano. In the line of T, in the column of 4, T4 is 51,000. 51 nano. Let's check it now. It is 127 nanofarad. If you see this chart from Vishay.com, A5, 100,000 picofarad. Using this method, we can decode this 2-digit marking. A5. If this video is informative, give a thumb up. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.